Here we have a beautiful condition Johnson 9.9. It's in excellent running shape. It's been fully serviced. And what we'll do here is we'll start her up. We'll show you how smooth it idles. We'll rev her up, put her in gear, show you all that works terrific. Then we'll shut her down and show how quickly and easily it restarts. So here we go. Easy pull of the handle. Pump water in the gear. Put it in gear. And let's put it in gear running. Idle down in gear. See, idle's very low, very smooth. Now I'm going to turn it off and show you how easily it restarts. Pop it back to neutral. Here. Starts and runs absolutely beautiful. Back in gear. Idle. Then we'll neutral. Go right smooth into reverse. No problem. Back into neutral. And then we'll turn it on. Alright. Excellent motor. Beautiful condition.